Rise, Israel, rise, hear the call in the air. We are the true royal family, chosen and spared. Prophecy moving right in plain sight. What was whispered in shadows now stepping in light. Stand up, reclaim what was stolen. Names rewritten but the blood stayed golden. No weapon formed will ever prosper. Truth cuts through lies like fire through copper. Lift your spine, lift your face. This ain't hype, this is place. Kings and queens want captivity, walking proof of destiny. Rise, true Israel, rise. Your captivity is over. True Israel, rise. The curse is broken, chains are shattered. Lift your head. It scattered us east, it scattered us west. North and south, still past the test. From the ends of earth, we were drawn back home. Every son remembered, every daughter known. No fear now, the promise stands. Gathered by the voice of the great I am. History bends when he speaks again. What was last now rises to reign. Wait on him, the word is sealed. What he said will be revealed. Nations rage, but time expires. Truth returns, dressed in fire. Chains are shattered. Lift your head, open your eyes, open your eyes. True Israel, rise. The time is now. Rise, Israel. Reuben, firstborn, strike, stand up. Simeon, judgment restored. Stand up. Levi, priesthood, flame. Stand up. Judah, lion, crown. Stand up. Issachar, wisdom in time. Stand up. Zebulun, builders of trade. Stand up. Gad, warrior, truth. Stand up. Asher, red and oil. Stand up. Naphtali, swift and free. Stand up. Ephraim, food for power. Stand up. Nemedah, made to forget pain. Stand up. Benjamin, fierce right hand. Stand up. Fear not, I am with thee, says the Lord. I gather my seed from every shore. North, give up, south, hold no more. My sons, my daughters, return restored. I bring you in, I gather you. Give you praise, the nations view. Restore your fortunes before their eyes. Living proof, go the sky. I rise for plunder, says the Lord. Nations summoned to my call. Valley of Yahusha, here the grace for my heritage, my chosen race. But you divided out the pain. What you traded brings no shame. Your language, one